Hi guys, welcome to the Hungry Dragonfly's Kitchen. My name is Mariela and today we are making two desserts from one recipe. We are making a vegan chocolate nut tart and we are also making these delicious pie cups. We are going to start by adding all our nuts. I have almonds, hazelnuts, pecans, pistachios, and peanuts. Blend all the nuts until they are just incorporated. Now we're going to add 15 pitted dates. After blending, we are going to add our vanilla extract, then the cocoa powder, and then the salt. I added a little bit of water, but this is totally optional, you don't have to do it, only if your crust is a little bit thick. So you're going to brush a little bit of coconut oil on your tart pan or whatever pan you're using. If you're not using this kind of pan, you can use parchment paper and then you put your crust into the mold. With this recipe I made the tart and I also made tiny pie cups, and they are great for meal prepping, so you can have the right portion for your dessert or just to eat it like that. You can top it with fruits or more chocolate and just enjoy it. We are going to add coconut milk to a small saucepan or medium saucepan, and then you're going to heat over low, medium until simmering, and then you're going to pour the milk over the chopped chocolate and stir it a little bit, and then you're going to let it sit for 30 seconds, then you're going to whisk until smooth. I put the ingredients in my KitchenAid mixer for a little bit until they get like a little bit of consistency. This is totally optional, you don't have to do it, but I highly recommend it. Now our filling is ready. We are going to add the maple syrup and the vanilla extract, and we're just gonna stir it until just incorporated. So we are going to pour our filling inside our mold. We're going to cover the crust, just leaving the edges out, and we are going to freeze overnight or for about 3 to 4 hours. tart made with healthy ingredients. And now we are going to pour the rest of the mixture into the silicone pie cup mold. And the same, we are going to freeze overnight. These are better if you freeze them overnight, or if you are desperate to eat it, just wait like 3 to 4 hours to get the right consistency. After one night inside the freezer, our pie cups are ready, and we are going to put them on a plate, and we are going to decorate it with chocolate covered strawberries and pistachios. To decorate our pie cups, I melted dark chocolate, and I also made my own pink chocolate, and I covered the strawberries with the chocolate and then pistachios. Hope you guys like this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys for watching, and happy Valentine's Day!